So I'll be showing you how to enable Find My Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So this is basically a security feature that allows you to track your lost or stolen Samsung Galaxy phone. So you want to go into settings. Under settings, scroll down to security and privacy, tap on that, and then tap on lost device protection. And then you should see Find My Mobile. Now currently it's disabled. So if you tap on that, you should see the option to allow this phone to be found. Now obviously you'll get this option when you sign into your Samsung account. So enable that. And then once you enable that, you can also choose to have the phone send your last location. Okay, so you can enable that. And then also you can locate your phone even when it's offline, and also help others find their devices. Okay, so you want to turn on offline finding for that. So now in case your phone is lost or stolen, you can actually track it as long as you can log into your Samsung account on any other device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.